Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Goa. Number 1. Goa is a coastal state in western India. Number 2. Goa is the smallest state in India. Number 3. Panaji is the capital city of Goa. Number 4. Goa is known for its beautiful beaches. Number 5. Anjuna and Baga are well-known beach destinations. Number 6. Goa has a tropical monsoon climate. Number 7. Goa is famous for vibrant and lively festivals. Number 8. Goa was officially formed on 30th May 1987. Number 9. Konkani is the primary official language of Goa. Number 10. Goa is a popular tourist destination. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.